Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest trends in the investment world. Today, we were diving deep into the complete details of Markethaven, the innovative platform changing the game for investors. So stay tuned. Subscribe to our channel. Markethaven is a cutting-edge online marketplace for investors, traders, and entrepreneurs. Online traders want to access the platform they are using whenever they want. Markethaven broker platform is among a few brokers that realize the importance of trading on the go, which is why it gives an accessible trading platform. Start reading this Markethaven review to know how this online trading broker can permit traders to work on their strategies and trades whenever and wherever they please. This online trading broker knows about the significance of investing in many assets. Many traders ensure that investing in one investment would be more than enough to assist them in succeeding in online trading. Markethaven brokers allow traders to select from several asset classes. Traders get the freedom to choose from stocks, Forex, and more, ensuring they can devise a portfolio for long-term profitability. It is also worth mentioning that dealers can access charts and indicators after signing up with the Markethaven broker platform to create their next winning strategy with relative ease. Benefits of Marketplace: access to diverse investment opportunities. Markethaven offers a wide range of investment opportunities. You'll find something for you whether you're into stocks, cryptocurrencies, or real estate. Transparency and security. Markethaven prioritizes transparency and security. Your investments have been safeguarded thanks to advanced encryption and authentication measures. Low transaction costs. Markethaven increases some of the lowest transaction costs in the industry, making it cost-effective for new and experienced investors. Expert insights and analytics. Markethaven gives access to expert insights and analytics tools. Make informed decisions with data-driven advice. Liquidity and trading options. Enjoy liquidity and various trading options. Markethaven allows you to trade 24/7, offering flexibility and convenience. Global reach. Markethaven enables businesses to tap into a global customer base. Whether you are a tech startup aiming to expand your reach, Markethaven provides the platform. This global reach revenue streams that were once out of reach for many businesses. Community and networking. It's not a platform, but a community. Connect with like-minded investors and experts, fostering valuable networking opportunities. Interface. Markethaven features an interface. Whether you're a tech guru or a beginner, navigating the platform is a breeze. Drawbacks. Markethaven, while offering various advantages such as convenient access to a wide range of products, competitive pricing, and the ability to reach a global customer base, also has its fair share of disadvantages. Subscribe for more insightful content.